The first of my 6 classroom stops that I will be doing is called Genius Hour. Basically, what it is a chance for the students to pursue a passion project. As I look at the assignment and the outcomes with Discover and Explore, it fits a lot of those things as far as expressing ideas and develop understanding, linking to prior knowledge. A lot of the kids are doing things that they're already interested in, which makes sense if it's a passion project. So kids are doing how hockey sticks are made, the game of basketball. They're doing stuff with Minecraft and game coding and different things like that. Responding to a variety of texts, they're required to research, and so that involves reading. A lot of the work is done in today's day and age on the computers, on different websites and things like that, gathering information and data. And then express preferences, so they're allowed to present it in any way possible. Some kids made one kid made a little kind of model of a treehouse. Other kids are actually making a video game that their classmates can play for their presentation. Some kids are doing PowerPoints. A couple of kids did a video where they did like a movie trailer type thing. And then with setting goals and self-assessment at the end of every Genius Hour, which is usually Friday afternoons, they spend all Friday afternoon working on it. They are required to write down how much they like, kind of what they got done, what are their goals for next time, and were they productive with their time, kind of thing. And so they're asked to set goals and self-assess. When I look at the textbook, it seems like a kind of a intermediate version of the Choice Center, where kids are allowed to work on whatever, right? So depending on the direction that kids go with it, some kids are building a little pop can racer, different things like that. So there's lots of different ways that the kids have taken it. And curriculum connections are in the 1.1 Discover and Explore, express ideas and develop understanding. So it kind of fits the first bunch of specific outcomes in the illustrative examples. Use prior experience with oral, print and other media text you choose, new texts that meet learning needs and interests, read, write, and represent and talk to, explore and explain connections between prior knowledge and new information, engage in exploratory communication to share personal responses and develop own interpretations. Then, like I talked about before, the goal setting, that also is part of 1.1. The other part of the curriculum where it really matches in nicely is in 3.1, plan and focus, and just has to do with focusing their attention as well as determining their information needs. So they need to decide and select what they need in order to support their learning and their new opinions and new discoveries and things like that.